please, please, please. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Woo-wee. She sounded good. Yes, sir. Booty action. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. What's going on, family? Tony of the Quiet Storm coming to you with another video. Everybody's doing well out there, as usual, being safe and enjoying yourself, as much as you can, regardless of this pandemic. As y'all see, I'm in the car as normal, on my way to the J.O.B. Gotta get this money. So, but just want to come to y'all, especially to all my fellow YouTubers. Shout out to y'all. As I do doing this YouTube, I'm actually, meeting other people that does YouTube, not physically meeting them, but we're connecting on Instagram and also on YouTube. So I appreciate all your fellow YouTubers rocking with me. Because as I said, you rock with me. Hey, you follow me, I follow you back. If you got a YouTube channel, I follow you back. I may not watch all of your videos whenever you post it, but eventually I do watch them, and I'm enjoying the content, and hopefully you're enjoying the content that I'm putting out there as well. Because we all got a goal. We all, for one, we all enjoy our cars. But I know I also like to put some inspiration out there, some motivation to help you, make you better. It may be some things that I know that you don't know, or maybe some things that you know that I don't know. So we're kind of helping each other out, by posting content and getting ideas of what we can do to our cars. So definitely appreciate you all. I'm happy to be rocking with you, as hopefully you're happy to be rocking with me as well. But some new things coming soon for Sadie also. So she gonna get a little makeover, but I'm not revealing that until that happens, which, like I said, is gonna be soon, really soon. But yeah, I definitely got some work to be put into it. But yeah, man, just want to come to you, just pretty much for all my fellow YouTubers, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. I'm enjoying your content once again, and you know, maybe one day we can do a collaboration video or something. You know, hey, I'm with it. So, but we'll figure it out. You know, whoever's interested in collabing. I'm in North Carolina, so I don't know. I know a few people in North Carolina on YouTube, but I know everybody else. You know, we can still collab. You know, kind of put together a video for the people and just post it on each other's page. You know, but appreciate you rocking with me. Appreciate you guys. You know, subscribing and watching my content, as well as all my other subscribers. I appreciate y'all too. So don't think I left y'all out. Nah, I can't leave y'all out because I'm gonna tell you, us YouTubers, we can't do it without y'all. You know, we can't grow without you all's support, and we definitely appreciate all of your support and watching our videos and liking them, sharing them with your friends and family, and commenting. You know. But thank you all. I'm going to get this money, and yeah, make sure if you're new to the channel, make sure you comment, subscribe, like, share the videos, hit that notification button too. So every time I post up a new video, you get notified that it's a new one out there. So make sure you do that, and appreciate y'all's support. And God made all things possible. Nothing's impossible as long as you continue to trust in Him, have faith in Him, believe in Him, believe in yourself, have faith in yourself, and trust yourself. And everything is all good. So, till the next time, holla at y'all later.